Welcome back. We're looking at adding and subtracting rational expressions. We just went through one example with a polynomial denominator, and I'm now going to go through another. So I'm simplifying x minus 1 over x squared minus x minus 6 minus 4 over 5x plus 10. Step 1 is that I need to fully factor. X minus 1 is fully factored. X squared minus 6 factors to be x minus 3 times x plus 2. 4 is fully factored. 5x plus 10 will factor to be 5 times x plus 2. Next, I need to find my least common denominator. So I start with all of the factors in my first term, which is x minus 3 times x plus 2. The only factor missing over here is going to be 5. So 5 is the only new factor that appears over here. To get this denominator, so now my domain restrictions will be x cannot be equal to 3 because that would make this piece equal to 0. And x cannot be equal to negative 2 because that would make this piece equal to 0. So we're setting each factor in our denominator equal to 0, and those give us our domain restrictions. All right, what's the only factor missing in this denominator? It is 5. So I will multiply by 5 over 5. The only thing missing in this denominator is x minus 3. So I will multiply by x minus 3 over x minus 3. That gives me 5 times x minus 1 in the numerator here over 5 times x minus 3 times x plus 2 minus 4 times x minus 3 in the numerator over 5 times x plus 2 times x minus 3. The denominators, the factors aren't written in the same order, but they're exactly the same denominator. So I can now combine 5 times x minus 3 times x plus 2. Distribute in here, and that gives me 5x minus 5 minus 4x minus 12. 5x minus 4x will give me x. Negative 5 minus negative 12 will give me positive 7. So x plus 7 over 5, x minus 3 times x plus 2. So that's my combined step. Simplify, there's nothing that can be canceled out here. So there is my final answer.